Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by measuring the exact fence length and height, then buying privacy slats sized for that mesh. Once you have slats and zip ties, start at a corner post. Push the first slat between the top and second horizontal wire and weave it down the mesh. Make sure slats face the same direction. Secure the top and bottom with zip ties or tension bands every 12 to 18 inches. This locks the first row and establishes a straight, even pattern for the rest. Once the first row is locked in, continue weaving sequential rows, alternating orientations slightly so slats overlap and create visual privacy. Leave about a 1/4 inch gap to allow thermal expansion. As you progress, install tension bands at each post and add horizontal zip ties every 3 to 4 feet to prevent slats from pulling out. Make sure to trim any excess slat material flush with the final wire using tin snips, and periodically press the slats into the mesh to remove slack and maintain a tight plane. To finish, run a final pass securing the top and bottom of the slats with additional ties and install wind straps on gates to handle gusts. Once done, walk the fence looking for visible gaps, add a slat or attach a strip of privacy screening where needed. If panels sag or bulge over time, tighten existing ties and install a midrail or a tension support wire between posts to restore rigidity. If wind tears strips, replace damaged slats and increase tie frequency in exposed sections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.